troubleshootings with the crystal placement, this is gonna be your bestie. And also I'm gonna using the 3-step methods from a crystal trifecta. So I'm gonna using condensed glue gel first, no wipe top coat, and precision glue gels, and then I am going to share with you how I am going to do it. So really thick density, so I am going to pick just a smaller.
And I think you got invoked for the next one, 45.
Oh, nice. Okay, 45, 43. So with the flat backs, you don't need a whole lot of a crystal because it's really thick density. So if you need more for your 3D, you can always add more. But I'm gonna add like and tie the nail. So if you know exactly where you are going to place a crystal, which is I am. However, sometimes I add more than normally. So we just want to make sure that it's gonna cover my top coat on the top and floating right on the top of the condensed glue gel. You can see that when I spread my bristle, is really, the condensed is really thick density. So I spread the bristle to make sure that it's floating right perfect on the nails and it covers that. Sometimes I add more crystal on. All right. I'm going to, it's really cool and stunning though. Hey, Jasmine. Hello, both Jasmines on Facebook and YouTube. So I am going to do this really cute shape from it's neon kits. If you haven't get chance to have the hands on that neon kit, check it out. I think I need one more frame. Can you grab it for me? Hey, the frame. Yeah. I think it's right underneath of the beads right there. Right here. So now one more frame. Okay. And I got this frame from the can't go further away. You need to move this camera. And this is a frame from the neon and also on the glow in the dark crystal kits. And I'm gonna get the frame. It's really simple and easy. So when you're doing the crystal placement, so do not worry. And that how you can able to get the designs, as long as you get all the centerpiece and your crystal SS smaller, really close and tight together, then it's always come out. It's really beautiful and it's really nice. Make sure to get them close, tight together. And you can also, if you want to get the beads on, you can absolutely add the beads on. If you don't want to, you can just like key and finish with the precision glue gels. I want to add just some beads on. And usually it's a lot of questions will ask, and where is the best place you are going to place your beads. I usually place between crystals and between crystals and between frames and frames. So it's just like not only to create this looks like a finish like a jewelry, but also it's gonna keep them really close and tight together. I love this metal beads. You can also get this in your kits, on the glow in the dark kits as well. The best thing about condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat, you are not worried about it's gonna be perfect or not. If you need to adjusting it, you can definitely adjusting it before you are going to cure. So hey, the really cool, the effects of the cat eye gels. It's really cool though. All right, just adjusting a little bit. So now if you're happy with this, we're going to cure for 60 seconds. Look at that, the cat eyes. This looks cool though. Just hand off.